Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. If you look into 24-hour accumulated rainfall ending at 8:30 hours IST of today, then we find that four stations of Tamil Nadu has reported very heavy rainfall from 12 to 14 centimeter. In Chennai district, Perambur has reported 14 centimeter rainfall. In Tiruvallur district, Cholavaram has reported 13 centimeter rainfall. In Chengalpattu district, Cheyur and Madhu Rang Thagam has reported 13 centimeter rainfall. And some other stations have also reported heavy rainfall, that is more than 7 centimeter rainfall up to 11 centimeter rainfall. So in total, 23 stations over Tamil Nadu has reported heavy rainfall, and heavy rainfall spell over Tamil Nadu has been continuing since last 1 week, and it is likely to continue for next 4 days, that is up to 11th up to 12th of November. If we look into synoptic systems today, then we find that there is a depression centered at 14.7 latitude and 66.4 degree longitude over East Central Arabian Sea, which is likely to become weaken into a well-marked low pressure area by tomorrow morning and weaken further. And also there is a cyclonic circulation over Southeast Bay of Bengal adjoining South Andaman Sea, under the influence of which a low pressure area is likely to form during next 24 hours. And this low pressure area is likely to further become organized and concentrate into a depression and reach North Tamil Nadu coast by early morning of 11th November. So under the influence of these two systems over East Central and adjoining West Central Arabian Sea, for 40 to 50 to 60 gusting to 70 kmph winds are likely during next 24 hours. And under the influence of this sicer over Southeast Bay and adjoining South Andaman Sea and a trough extending from this sicer to Southwest Bay of Bengal, from 8th November to 11th of November, over Southeast Bay of Bengal for next 2 days, that is on 8th and 9th, winds are likely to be in the category of 40 to 50 gusting to 60, and over southwest adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal of Tamil Nadu and South Andhra Pradesh coast and Gulf of Mannar, winds are likely to be 40 to 50 gusting to 60 for next 4 days, that is from today to 11th of November. And due to this likely formation of this low pressure area and its further organization into well marked low pressure area and a depression, extremely heavy rainfall is likely over Tamil Nadu on 10th and 11th of November. Although very heavy rainfall would continue on today and tomorrow as well over Tamil Nadu, and for that we have given orange color for Tamil Nadu on today and tomorrow, and then red color for 10th and 11th. And also during this extremely heavy spell over Tamil Nadu, southern parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh may also receive extremely heavy falls, and the adjoining subdivisions of Kerala and Rayalaseema and SIK may also receive isolated heavy falls on 1 or 2 days during this period. Although Kerala is likely to receive isolated heavy falls during next 5 days. If you look into this northern parts of the country, then there is no active western disturbance going to affect the northern parts of the country, due to which there is no significant change in temperatures likely during next 3 days. But after 3 days from 11th, minimum temperatures are likely to fall by 2 to 3 degree centigrade over plains of northwest India and over Madhya Pradesh. Now, if you look into the district-wise rainfall warning for Tamil Nadu, Then for today, we can see that since we have given isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall likelihood over Tamil Nadu, so Chengalpattu, Villupuram, Puducherry, Kudalur, Myiladuturai, Karaikal, Nagapattinam, Tanjavur, Tiruvarur districts are likely to receive isolated very heavy rainfall. For tomorrow, the isolated very heavy rainfall spell is likely to occur in the interior parts of Tamil Nadu over the districts of Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Dindigul, Theni, Tenkasi, and Tirunelveli. And since from 10th, the low pressure area and its further intensification is likely to approach Tamil Nadu coast. So on 10th, there is a likelihood of extremely heavy rainfall, for which we have given red color for the districts of Puducherry, Kudalur, Kallakurichi, Perambur, Ariyalur, Thanjavur, Thiruvarur, Myiladuturai, Karaikal, Nagapattinam. And to the north and south of these districts, the districts are likely to receive isolated very heavy rainfall, that is up to the rainfall up to 20 centimeter. And these red colored districts are likely to receive more than 20 centimeter rainfall. And the situation would continue on 11th of November as well. But this red zone area, this red warning district rainfall area would shift slight northwards, and the districts of Thiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Chennai, Chengalpattu, Villupuram, Puducherry, and Kudalur are likely to receive more than 20 centimeter rainfall at isolated places, whereas the districts of Vellore, Ranipet, Thiruvannamalai, Kallakurichi, Perambur, Ariyalur, Myiladuturai, Karaikal, Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, and Thanjavur are likely to receive isolated very heavy rainfall. And if we come to day 5, that is on 12th of November, then we see that since this system would either become uh, uh, less marked or would move northward, so there is no heavy rainfall warning for Tamil Nadu for 12th of November. So that's all for today, and tomorrow we will again meet for weather briefing for next 5 days. And for this upcoming this rainfall episode over Tamil Nadu, you can also visit IMD Chennai website, where you can find out this detailed warning for all the districts as we have just seen, and their impact. And the URL for this IMD Chennai website is imdchennai.gov.in/hrw_district.htm. Thank you and goodbye.